What is going on, everybody? So today we're going to install some tow hooks on the orange FRS. We're also going to be debadging the FRS symbol, and we are smoking out the taillights today.
Smoking these out. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Alright, so I think we can put the tow hook on either side, but because I've got the front and the rear, I kind of want them offset. So I'm going to put the rear here because the front only goes on the right hand side, the passenger side. Taking out this, all you got to do is kind of like squeeze that little guy out, and it's out.
Boom.
Wow. They don't really tell you which one's which, but I'm assuming that the back one's going to be the longer one. So, just kind of stick it in the hole, and you start turning.
What kind of tow hooks are these?
The most expensive ones. I don't know.
So the part that we needed, it was like 40 bucks to drill a nice hole, and us being cheap decided not to buy it. So now we have to drill a hole in this.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do it. I didn't hit metal. Still didn't hit metal. Do we get a file?
Yeah, let me just pull that right out of my ass.
Well, I don't want your ass filed. I want this filed.
I got a fucking file.
Okay. It's all in. All right, right there. Take a look at that. Tell me how it looks.
Looks good.
Back one's done.
Looks pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad.
I'm just gonna fucking do it.
I think up a little bit more. Oh, that was easier.
It doesn't look as shitty either.
Well, until now. So, we've come to the realization that $40 part would have made this into a 5-minute job. And we're in about 15-20 minutes.
Yeah. Spend the money if you got it. It's not gonna blow your budget. Yeah.
See what he did there? Hold on.
Yeah, he's literally picking the car up when he does that.
We had to use a tire iron in order to get the damn thing on there.
Still slightly off. A little too much this time, but it is what it is.
Next, we are going to be smoking out these taillights with, we tried to get VHT night tints, but they didn't have them at the store, so we ended up buying this stuff. Rust-oleum lens tint. I'll let you know how it goes. So, the first thing we got to do to take these taillights out is to get this little guy off and this little guy off on both sides so we can get to the bolts. We got to take these two bolts off, and then, if you can see it, this bolt and this bolt to get the taillight out.
While we're waiting for that first coat to dry, what are we doing next?
No? All right.
Okay.
It went pretty good today. No mishaps. Exhaust sounds good. Took some stuff off. All in all, it went pretty good. Tow hooks went in pretty good. So, I am pleased. So we found a button in here, this little thing, and we want to know what it does. We think it opens the trunk because it says trunk opener, but we're gonna test this out real quick.
In addition to that, though, we have this one here. So why do you need a button there?
There's one there. Maybe just in case you stuff 2 kids back there. I don't know.
All right, testing this stuff for you guys, so you guys know what's good. I'm fit pretty much a grown man child in here. Does that not even work?
The button's not working. Hold on.
Hold on. What if the car's on? Because I heard it trying to do.
Alright, hold on. Okay, guys, we're in the trunk. That button. Cut it. Nothing.
The button does nothing?
No. You know what I think it means?
What?
I think it means, like, if somebody's back here and they don't want you to open the trunk, they hold this. So I want you to try and pop your trunk while I'm holding it. Go. I'm dead. Yeah, it didn't work.